I will talk about how can you disable friend request notifications on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on notifications. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just come here to friend requests. You click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean friend requests notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.